Good morning, everyone. That's Mike. That's Mike. All right. That's Mike. All right. Good morning, everyone. It's August 13, 2024, 9:30 in the morning. Market just opened, and SPY is just a little above from high of yesterday. We are up by $3.43. Pre-market low is at 533 with a pre-market high of 537. The most active as of this morning is Starbucks. So we're watching Starbucks here. Starbucks is a gap up by 17.5%. Really is very bullish. 77 is a pre-market low with a pre-market high of 91.22. So Starbucks 5 minutes here is at the VWAP, very strong here, and it is doing an opening range breakout. So just gonna be doing doing a small position in Starbucks to the long. So stop loss is below that pre-market high. SPY is at the VWAP. All right, so Starbucks is working nicely. I added to my position here. Added to my position. So Starbucks is working nicely here. Very good pop. Added to that position. All right, so Starbucks here had work nicely. Take some partial. Took some partial there with Starbucks. All right, so that was a quick scalp on Starbucks. All right, so Starbucks was a good move right there. Waiting for Starbucks to have a pullback at the VWAP. Microsoft is also very strong. All right, so just close my position in Starbucks, but it is still heading higher. Oh, wow. All right, so looking for a next trade here. All right, here's the pullback on Starbucks. Let's see for a pullback. Okay, re-entering Starbucks here to the long. Re-entered to the long on a pullback. All right. See here. Stop loss here is by the VWAP. about to get stop out here, just below that VWAP. This is a, let's see, momentum is still there. Someone is holding this one at the VWAP. Not a lot of volume here on that pullback. This is a doji though, so signs of indecision is there. CMG. Yeah, Starbucks is still holding that VWAP. 92.47.50s. What else is strong here? There is a big order sitting at the ask here, very bullish. So I added in that VWAP. Looking at the volume bar here, there's not a lot of volume when it was pushing down. So momentum here is for this to push higher still. So retesting, this is the resistance that we have, 93.20. 5 minutes. We have 2 more minutes before this candlestick closes. All right. We are now looking good on this trade. Resistance 93.20. There is still a bunch of orders sitting here at the ask. Wow. Oh my gosh, what was that? It just shoot up at 23.7. Yeah, this one. It's like someone is dumping their shares. Okay, that's a big volume bar that came through. Someone is holding at the VWAP. Yeah, I don't like that the volume bar is not there. But so resistance is 93.18. 93.08, 14. Resistance at 93.08. Okay, so selling there. Another partial. Wow. All right. There's the pop that we're waiting for. Partial again. Wow. Oh my gosh. All right, time to move our stop loss above the break even. Wow. All right. And we're out. So we're done trading. And what time is it? 9:41. 11 minutes of work. And we are done with the trade. So yeah, done with the trade. We only traded Starbucks opening range breakout strategy. It was just so strong. You have that VWAP at the daily and opening range breakout. This is the high of the pre-market, low of the pre-market. It is having the high of the pre-market as a very strong support. We went long at that level. So long at the VWAP, stop loss is just below the pre-market high. So this is gonna pop still. But so went long here. Just get my pen. So I went long here, added to my position, pop, and moving my stop loss above my break even. So with that green trade right there, that is a move from, see, 91.56 or 91.68 all the way to 93.17. So we're talking about more than $1 move there. 91.64 and 93.21. Yeah, more than $1 move. Now I saw the potentials there for Starbucks. So what I did was, since I got all out at this, and it looks like it will still push through and make a new high of the day, I open a small position, building up my position here, open a small position, added to my position. At the pullback, I added, and at the pop, cover, and all the way up here, cover. So with that move, since we added at the pullback, see, pullback here is 92.71 all the way to 94.03, more than $1 as well. So yeah, we're done after 11 minutes of trading with Starbucks. And right now, yeah, I don't think, now look at the bid and the ask. The bid has more share size here that's waiting to get filled compared to the ask. So this one is now gonna have the pullback. So no more momentum for this one to push up. Plus look at the volume bar here. Volume bar is starting to have these twists. So once it's pushing down, you have a bigger volume bar compared to when it's pushing up. So the momentum here for this to push up is not there anymore. Now this can also just have a 9 EMA where it pulls back to 9 EMA as well as the VWAP and then pushed up. But unless you have a good volume bar, you will just get stuck with the consolidation. So let's see at, all right, yeah, this one almost like a shooting star here. So this can easily just break the VWAP. The easy trade here is, look at the CMEG, but it's at short selling restriction. But CMG, what is this company? Chipotle. Oh, wow. So Chipotle here, looks like it had a stock split. just because this one used to be 1K, almost 1K, but now it's 50. So with that gap down, this one is the opposite. If we were looking at this one, not just Starbucks, the opposite strategy here with CMEG or Chipotle could have been opening range breakdown. So opening range breakdown, the strategy there is you have a big gap down here, and opening range breakdown is you have the pre-market high, pre-market low. Once it breaks the pre-market low, you just ride the momentum there. So this is the pre-market low, and the safe entry here could have been 49.51. So it still is a 50 cents move, but yeah, that gave a trigger to do an opening range breakdown. But we were not watching CMEG because we were trading Starbucks, which formed an opening range breakout. So now with the Starbucks, the 5 minutes, the 5 minutes here, this is a shooting star, so it looks like it is about to have a pullback. All right, let's see if we can find any other trade here. What is Rivian up to now? What else? Wow, Starbucks is crazy. Look at this one. So that's the thing about trading. You don't have to overcomplicate it. If you're just watching Starbucks and you long it at the pullback, or you ride it long every time it touches VWAP, and you do long, you sell at the pop, that could have been a money maker there. So that is, let's see, 92.84, 94, more than $1 there. Yeah. Let's see what else is moving. Oh my, look at Tesla here. Tesla have moved 197 all the way to 203. Big pullback here. Apple. All right, so I think that's pretty much it. We'll keep this video, this recording short and sweet. Yeah. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. And for those of you guys who's asking on where to begin on how to day trade for a living, please feel free to check our website out. And that website is, let's see here, let me share the link. So that website is ecourseunlocked.com, and that website we are sharing our syllabus as well as our favorite day trading strategies, and that's under freebies right here. You can download that for free. You just have to put in your email address so we know where to send it. And yeah, we have discussed the opening range breakout, which is the strategy that we did today. So yeah, please feel free to download that. And we had ventured out as well in real estate, because as an investor, you want to diversify your portfolio. So we do have some investment with some real estate as well as long-term stocks, as well as day trading. So day trading, the way that we see it is it's a money or income generator. Now, once you get those um, investment money, you want to diversify that by buying properties, and you can do short-term rental or you can do a long-term rental, but the appreciation that you're gonna get with real estate is very lucrative. So that's why we ventured out as well in real estate. And for those who just wanted to know how day trading works, why did we even start day trading? Yeah, this is the reason, because we want to have time freedom as well as not getting stuck with a 9 to 5 job. And of course, our goal is early retirement. So the early retirement, the early year that we get to do, the better. So we can live a life under our own terms. So for that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had a great trading day, and we'll do this again next week. So we're always live on Tuesday before the market opens. And yeah, we do share our trading strategies as well as what's behind the trade. How do we find those trades that's moving or those stocks that's moving? We basically like the stocks that had gap up or gap down more than 3% or less than 3%, because that in a way will give you an idea that there is a catalyst that's making that stock move. As a day trader, we don't have the luxury of time to read the news, and if we do have time for those, it's just, for me, it's a waste of time, just because you can have the news and the news could have baked in that move to the price. So we focus on the technical levels, we focus on those support and resistance, and the volume bar. Volume bar is a big thing. So the strategy that we do is that three-legged stool, which is you want to do a solid foundation with your strategies. You want to have a solid foundation with the psychology of trading, and you want to have a solid foundation on the risk management. And yeah, we discussed that in our day trading course, and we shared our syllabus here. So for the syllabus, it's more than 64 hours, but we do add to the content daily, so or every week, so learning never stops. So with that, again, thank you so much for watching. Please reach out if you guys have any questions. And for now, we'll do this again live next week. Thank you and have a good one.